Hello students, this is RSYadav. Today I am going to talk about the quadratic equation. Now the quadratic equation, the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a should not be equals to 0, means the value of coefficient x square should not be equals to 0, and A, B, C should be real numbers. So our standard form of quadratic equation means ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a should not be equals to 0 and a, b, c should be real numbers. This is the first point we should know. Now here a is the coefficient of x square, b will be the coefficient of x, and c is the constant terms. So this should be all real numbers. Now the second point we will learn that if we factorize ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, means if we factorize the quadratic equation, then we will get the product of two linear equations. We will get the product of two linear factors. The roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 can be found by equating each factors equals to 0. Now for example, let us say we have got a factor of a quadratic equation. Suppose we have got a factor of a quadratic equation x minus 1 and x plus 2 equals to 0. So these are the two linear factors. If we equate each factor equals to 0, we will get the value of x. That means x minus 1 will be equals to 0, that is x equals to 1, or x plus 2 equals to 0, or x equals to minus 2. So the meaning of this is we are getting product of two linear factors, and if the roots of the quadratic equation so can be found by equating. The here is what the roots of x is 1 and 2 minus 2. So we can find out the root by equating the each linear factors equals to 0. So in this case we see, let us say if the x minus 1 and x plus 2 is equals to 0. So we will get x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 2. Minus 2. Now we will see the third. Now the roots can be obtained by splitting the middle terms, that I will explain in the examples when I will go further. Now third point we will read in this chapter is the roots can be found out by the quadratic formula. That is, the quadratic formula is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, provided, now the condition is provided b square minus 4ac should be greater than or equals to 0. Should be greater than or equals to 0. If this condition meets, then we can find out the root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 by using formula minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now the fourth point we will cover in this chapter, that is a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 has, first point is, two distinct real roots. So two distinct real roots. Now the quadratic equation will have two distinct real roots only when the condition meets, that is b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0. Then second is two equal roots, or we say it is a coincidence rule. So it will be when b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Then third is no real roots. Now the condition for no real roots is b square minus 4ac should be less than 0. So these are the points that I will cover in the quadratic equations in subsequent videos, and this is the important points you must remember also for the examination point of view. Please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.